Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to pair Xbox controller to Meta Quest 3. Start by turning on the controller by pressing the Xbox button in the center. Once it lights up, press and hold the small pair button on the top edge of the controller. Keep holding it for a few seconds until the Xbox logo starts flashing. This flashing light means the controller is now in pairing mode and ready to connect. Now move to your Meta Quest 3 headset. Look for the clock icon in the menu and select it. This will open a panel where you can access more options. From here, choose Settings to enter the main settings menu. Inside Settings, look for the section labeled Devices. Select it and then choose Bluetooth. Then select the option that says Pair. Your headset will now start scanning for nearby devices. Wait a few seconds and watch the list of available devices. When your Xbox controller appears, select it from the list. After a moment, the flashing light on the controller will stop and the connection will be complete. If you prefer using your phone, there is another method. Open the Meta Horizon app and go to your headset settings. Find the controller section and tap on New Controller. Follow the on-screen steps to finish pairing. Thanks for watching.